Hi, I'm Lee from Vapor Clean Cleaning Services. Today we're going to try out the #1 method you'll find if you search how to remove red wine from your carpets. First method is going to be a good old bottle of vodka. It can be the go-to one. No, you don't always want to waste it, but it is very useful and typically we have it lying around. Remember, always try and soak up as much of the stain as you can. Kitchen roll is going to be your best method. Obviously this has been overnight, so it is bone dry and there's no stain coming out of that one. I could measure it out for you, but to be honest, it's just a case of use as much as you need. So with a bit of towel and the bottle, we're just going to try and pour a little bit on. You don't want to be using gallons and gallons, but as you can see, this is already starting to move a bit of the stain away. Remember to dab the stain and not to scrub, because that will break your fibres and it can also make the carpet look patchy and different to the rest of the area. So even if you remove the colour, you might see more of the actual damage to the stain itself. Just going to change that piece of kitchen roll. It's not the first time I would have said I might have wanted a bigger bottle of vodka. So we'll do half of the stain so you can see the difference of the before and after. You can still see some discoloration in there. One thing to remember when you do a DIY removal of a stain is some methods can still drive it down further, and the more moisture you put on, although it may take the discoloration out, it can still drive it further into the carpet and deeper down into the underlaying. So now we're trying to soak up as much of that excess liquid as you can and see what result we're actually left with. If you do have a towel or colourless cloth, you can use that as well. Just be careful with coloured cloths. They do have to be very high quality and colour fast, otherwise you can't transfer the colour. We have our vodka, which has achieved a pretty good result. And remember, this is a set-in stain. It's a wine that was spilt overnight or the night before and left overnight. And we've chosen this colour carpet for good reason. It's not overly forgiving, but it's a very common colour carpet. Obviously we see hundreds of different carpets and this is a very common style of carpet. So my verdict: 1, act quickly. It's difficult when you're having fun, but if you drop wine, mop it up quickly. And if you have just dropped it, reach for the vodka. No, we don't want to waste it, we prefer to be drinking it, but it's not going to destroy the planet as much as this, and we're not going to have as many issues as this. With a new stain, it will get it out. You'll be fine. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, drop them below. Check out our channel and please subscribe. I am an expert, so I'm happy to be challenged. Let's see what you can throw our way.